Hi, I'm James with Galaxy Real Estate Group. If you and your family have recently lost a loved one and inherited their property, you may be wondering how to go about selling the property through the probate process. So in this video, we'll talk about what probate is and the steps that are involved before completing the sale of the property. So first off, what is probate? Probate is the legal process of distributing a person's assets after they've passed away. In Arizona, that process can take up to 6 months, sometimes more, to complete, and it's required especially if the person who passed away didn't have a trust or other estate planning documents in place. So what are the steps of the process? The first step in the probate process is to file a petition for probate with the court. This starts the process of settling the estate of the deceased. In Arizona, you'll file the petition for probate in the county where the deceased lived. Step 2. After filing the petition, you must notify all interested parties, including beneficiaries and creditors. The court will then set a hearing date, and interested parties can file any objections they have to the probate process. Step 3. The court will then appoint a personal representative to handle the estate. This is also known as the executor. This person is responsible for managing the estate, including paying any debts and taxes and distributing the final assets to the beneficiaries. Step 4. The executor will hire an appraiser to value the property. This is important because the value of the property will determine the amount of taxes that are owed. Step 5. Selling the property. Once the property is appraised, you'll need to obtain court approval for the sale before it can be finalized. The executor is responsible for listing the property and handling the sale. The proceeds from the sale will then be used to pay any outstanding debts and taxes, and the remaining amount will then be distributed to the beneficiaries. At Galaxy Real Estate Group, we understand the challenges of selling a probate property, and we're here to help. If you need to sell a probate property in Arizona, contact us today for a free consultation. We can buy the property in its current condition and close quickly and efficiently.